Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on love and relationships. The reason for doing this capsule is it is just not possible to condense the entire information, and astrology is so vast into a 5 or a 7 minute overall generic capsule that I do. So I'm trying to break it up into sections and I'm looking at love and relationships. I really hope that it is able to give some clarity into this area of your life. Do write into me and let me know whether it has been of any help to you. Sagittarians, we start this month with you having a lot of thoughts around your home, and a lot of you have been thinking about marriage. A lot of you have been thinking about commitment, and there seems to be this conversation which you've been having with your parents. And there's a beautiful full moon on the 8th that is there, and it's going to make you a bit emotional. You're going to be looking more over your shoulder and looking back at the things and feeling very nostalgic. Though it may be a good time now to date, even to go out and meet up with potential partners, Sagittarians, I'm sorry to say, but till September first week it is not a great time to be committing to any personal relationship at all. And I'll tell you why. There's a eclipse that is happening, and after that Venus is going retrograde, so uh, not a great time at all. I mean, just hold on a bit and get to know the person, and like I said, please go out and meet and date and get to know. It's a great time in any case for you for socializing, so do all that, but stay away from commitment till about I would say about 10th of September is a safe time. A lot of you will be spending some lovely times with your family, especially with your children, and there's going to be much joy and happiness that your children are going to be bringing into your lives. For a lot of you, it could also be a surprise pregnancy. There's some amount of surprise news that a lot of you are going to be hearing, and it is going to make you um, very emotionally happy. And it's going to come all of a sudden out of a blue from somewhere. There are also chances of someone coming back into your life now from your past, and it could be somebody that you were committed to at some point of time, and would want to restart the relationship and see as to where it goes. Around the 14th March, we have what is called the Grand Earth Trine, and we have 4 planets that are aligning at a 120-degree. So we have a Mars that is at a 9-degree to a Virgo, we have a Pluto that is at a 9-degree to a Capricorn, and we have a Jupiter and a Venus that are conjuncting in Saturn at a 9-degree again. And it's a beautiful alignment because Venus is finally moving back into its own sign of Taurus. Any effort that is put in at this point of time is going to yield tremendous results that will stay with you for months to come. If you really want to understand as to which aspect of your life it is this particular energy is going to be affecting, you need to look back on 28th of October. That is when the second grand trine had happened, and try and just recall as to what had happened around that point of time, how had that energy affected you. And it's whenever the grand trines happen, they embody 3 elements, that is your fire, earth and water. So it's a perfect energy, and it's a very transformational energy. So any patterns that you want to let go at this point of time, it's a brilliant time. This is also a great time for most of you to be starting a great health and a diet regime. So if you have been looking at an alternate way, so if of changing your habit or your patterns, because the energy right now is it's a very transformational energy. Anything that you do or you work with, the energy will stay with you for a long time. So it's a brilliant time to maybe explore doing something a different form of exercise. Maybe try doing yoga, try doing some meditation, maybe move on to organic foods. It's a great time to experiment and look at newer things, and they will really benefit you, Sagittarians. So have a good month. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.